What should I do today? Oh, I am thinking about going to Canada. I should tell Thunderbolt to come. Yes, what is it, U-128? Hey Thunderbolt, do you want to come to Canada? Oh yes, sure I am in. Okay, let us go. We are here, yeah. K-128. What do you see? Oh my god. Who is that? He is probably a Canadian siren, because we are in Canada. Yes, I actually am. My name is C-O-M Model 9753. You were a Canadian. My friend keeps saying that I am not the only one active, but I am. Cool. What is that? You are the only one active right now? Wow. Wow. What do you sound like? Give us a test. Kinda sound like 500 SHTT. Ports are 10/12. Can you guys sound too? Thunderbolt gives him a test. My turn. Wow, that is cool. Thanks, now we will be leaving. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye. I was not expecting that kind there. I know, right, that was weird too at the same time.